If you want to go ahead and add in text watermarks to your images, then you can go ahead and edit out your text watermark. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around over here onto the edit menu right here. And then you can see that edit watermark is an option. If I were to go around over here, then it actually opens up a dialog box right here, just like this. And then over here, you will be able to see the preview of the watermark right here. So you can see that this is the watermark that you have right here, and you can go ahead and then name it out according to how you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and type in copyright TuTube right here. So right now the watermark style is text, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can choose an image if you want as well, or you can go ahead and choose different font for the watermark as well. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go for Arial Black right here, just like this, and I can choose the style to be bold. I can center this out over here as well, so that it comes more to the center. You can go ahead and then resize this out by dragging this out just like this as well if you want to right here. And then let's say, for example, keep it wherever you want. You can go ahead and choose the color that you want as well. So you can see that it says select a color. You can go ahead and select out a different color right here, just like this. Go around onto the color range as you want, and then that is what you have as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can also enable and disable the shadow for this particular text right here. You can change around the opacity, change around the offset of the shadows, change around the radius of the shadows. You can see some subtle changes right here, and the angle as well. So this is what you have, and you can change around the opacity that is for the watermark effect as well. And you can also go ahead and change around the size of the text as well. Apart from that, you can go ahead and fit. You can go ahead and fill it out as well, or choose proportional right here. You can go ahead and change it to horizontal inset right here, and vertical inset as well, and even work around with the anchor point right here to place it in different places as needed as well. So this is how you can go ahead and add text watermark right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can save this particular watermark as a preset. So let's just save this out as TuTube watermark right here, just like this. Let's click on create, and then this will be saved. So now whenever you export out your image, then you will see this watermark as long as you select the TuTube watermark right here. Press done, and the watermark will be saved. And that is how you can add text watermark inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe